Today I'm gonna be unboxing and reviewing these products from Born Pretty, and I'm gonna be creating a summer nail design. I know the summer is almost over, but I'm squeezing one more nail design this summer, so stay tuned, guys. This is called the Watercolor Nail Gel, and it's actually a blooming gel, guys. I've never tried blooming gels before, and I'm so happy to have this. And you will be able to see how I use it in today's nail design. The next item is a glitter. Glitters are very useful because sometimes I don't have an idea for nail art and I just apply glitter and I'm done for the day basically. And this one is so beautiful, it has beautiful multicolors in it. And the next item is a nude gel polish. Nudes are very useful as well. If you want to create a Frenchy design, for example, this is a good base for it. And next I have a cat magnetic gel polish. These ones are so useful as well because you can create so many things with it. You do need a magnet to be able to move around the magnets inside the gel polish and create different designs. This one is just so beautiful. I just love it, so cute. And the last item for today is a Milky white gel polish. These ones are so cute to use in different things, it's so beautiful. You can encapsulate glitter in it, you can create so many things with it, so cute. And today I'm gonna be creating some press-on nails, and let's start. When I create press-on nails, I like to off the shine from the nail tips or apply primer to avoid all the dust. And that's what I'm doing today, using primer. Next, I'm gonna be using this Beetles blue gel polish, and I'm gonna be painting the nail halfway and curing this for 30 seconds. I'm creating an ombre with a darker shade of blue and using a sponge, a makeup sponge for this. This has been the easiest way for me to create an ombre. And applying this layer near the cuticle area and curing this for 30 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a second layer in combination with a lighter blue just to make sure that everything is nice and even. Curing that for 30 seconds again. As you can see here, I applied the lighter blue and I'm gonna dab it on here, making sure that it looks nice. And I'm gonna apply another layer just to make sure everything is nice and blended. Cure that for 30 seconds. With a nude color, I'm painting the bottom part of the nails. And this is gonna be the section for the sun because we're creating a beach here. It will be nice to be on a beach right now, but no, I'm just creating one of my nails for now. Here I'm trying to create a footprint on the sun. This was so hard to do and so messy because the gel polish kept moving all over the place. I wanted to create two footprints on the two different nails, but it was so hard to do, so I just decided to leave one for now and move on with this nail design. Then I'm gonna be texturizing the sun, and I'm trying to do that with a sponge first. I didn't like the way it was looking, so I remember that I used the bubble effect in one of my recent short videos, and I decided to try that. I just grabbed some soapy water, some regular dish soap, and I created some bubbles, and I applied the bubbles on top of uncured gel polish, and I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. and dabbing some white gel in the middle of the nail with a makeup sponge again. I'm gonna cure this layer for 30 seconds, and then next I'm gonna apply a thin layer of the blooming gel, and with a dotting tool I'm going to apply some dots of the blue gel polish to create a water effect and cure that for 30 seconds, and then I will repeat the same step for all the nails. And using the blooming gel again to create some clouds. On this nail I started to paint a palm tree, guys, but I got so frustrated with it that I was very tempted to use stickers, which I have some beautiful ones, and I did end up using the stickers. But first I wanted to show you how I ended up drawing one of the palm trees. It wasn't too bad, I guess, but I decided just to go for the stickers at the end. But at least you can see what I did here. I'm gonna end up buffing off the palm tree that I created. I don't know why, now that I'm looking at it again, it looks nice, not too bad. Now I'm just gonna be drawing some flying birds. This is very easy with black gel polish and a very fine nail art brush. When I was drawing the umbrellas, I didn't realize that I measure these nails to wear on the right hand, and the umbrellas are gonna be on the opposite side once I put my nails on. Unfortunately, I just have to leave it like this for now because I've been working on these nails the whole day. And the final touch is going to be top coat from Born Pretty, and I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds and I'll be right back with the final results. And these are the final results for today. They came out really cute, even though I had some minor inconveniences during the design. This design was very detailed. I did my best to recreate the original picture. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and like the results as well. Please check out the links in the description box below for the Born Pretty products. This is a brand that I really like. Their products are very nice and they have good quality. So far I enjoy them. So I hope to see you on the next video, guys. Thank you again so much for watching.